Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that sustainable development can only be achieved through togetherness and innovation. Inaugurating the World Sustainable Development Summit 2021 yesterday through video conferencing, the Prime Minister said the health of the people and the health of the climate are interlinked, and these two will decide our future. He said investment in youth is the need of the hour. The Prime Minister said the energy of the youth will lead to outstanding results. He said India is focused on a human-centric approach. The Prime Minister added, change is in environment and climate affects the poor the most, and India is on track to achieve the target it had set in Paris. The Prime Minister said, powered by spirited public efforts, India is on track to exceed its commitments and targets from Paris. He said climate justice means giving developing countries enough space to grow when the world understands their roles and duties. He said India is among the top 3 countries to increase its forest covers, and it has 1/4 forest covers of the geographical area. Petrol pumps in Kohima have reopened while heavy vehicular queue are witnessed in all the stations this morning. The petrol pumps ran out of stock and were closed since Monday, with heavy vehicles unable to cross the Chade River Bridge, Patkai Bridge, to Kukitulong portion of the National Highway 29 due to blockade triggered by rock slides. Amidst the clearance works, trucks laden with essential commodities have been allowed to pass from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. from yesterday till Saturday to enable availability of all essential commodities in the state capital and other districts connected through Kohima. Meanwhile, sources said that the clearance work in the rock slide area stretch is likely to take another couple of weeks. Continuing the COVID-19 vaccination, Nagaland vaccinated 1,324 persons yesterday, with a total of 8,948 beneficiaries being inoculated with Covishield vaccines so far. Of the total, State Immunization Officer Dr. Ritu Tur said 6,629 beneficiaries are healthcare workers of both government and private health institutions, and 2,319 frontline workers from administration and police. He said no adverse events needing medical intervention have been reported till date after the vaccination. Nagaland has a total of 12,168 COVID-19 cases, including 11,843 recovered persons and 87 active patients. So far, 88 persons, including 10 with comorbid conditions, have succumbed to the infection in the state, while 150 patients have migrated to other states. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday said the public sector is essential, but the role of the private sector is also vital. He said the private sector's role can be seen everywhere, including telecom and pharma. In his reply in the Lok Sabha to the motion of thanks on the President's address, the Prime Minister said if India is able to serve humanity, it is also due to the role of the private sector. He said the agriculture sector will not be strong if investment and new technologies are not brought. He stressed that there is a need to go beyond growing only wheat and paddy. Naga Council Dimapur NCT has prohibited burials at Old Cemetery, Lakeview Colony due to space constraints and informed the general public that with effect from 15 February, all burials will take place at the new cemetery, Zani Village. Requesting the general public to cooperate accordingly, NCT further appealed to all to abide and maintain the rules and regulations laid down for uniform burial and construction of tombs at the new cemetery. Deputy Commissioner Noklak has invited youth volunteers to act as content creators for managing the social media of the district. The DC said that the work would be done on online mode for managing and handling social media and wider publicity of the district potentials and other areas of interest. In this regard, interested persons who are experienced in the field of mass communication, social media, designing and photography can apply by submitting their resume to dcnoklak@gmail.com or through WhatsApp number 8837213359 on or before 26th February. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us all remember to stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, wash hands frequently with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer, and follow social distancing norms. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.